Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Segway Ninebot scooter is experiencing connection problems, unusual settings, or unexpected performance issues, performing a reset can often help restore normal operation. Temporary software glitches and communication errors may occasionally affect the Segway Ninebot scooter, but fortunately, many of these issues can be resolved without replacing any components. Resetting the scooter provides a fresh start and may improve responsiveness and connectivity. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or preparing the scooter for a new setup, the process is usually simple and straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you successfully reset your Segway Ninebot scooter. Try these. Step 1. Switch off the Segway Ninebot scooter and place it on a stable surface. Step 2. Ensure the Segway Ninebot scooter has enough battery charge before starting. Step 3. Activate the reset procedure available for the Segway Ninebot scooter. Step 4. Wait while the Segway Ninebot scooter completes the reset sequence. Step 5. Reconnect the Segway Ninebot scooter to its companion app if required. Step 6. Confirm that the Segway Ninebot scooter has returned to normal operation and default settings.